air show at Huntington Beach. The lines are long everywhere. The cars are everywhere. There's a lot of cars getting towed. There's Tia. She's running around. Like I told you, those noises are really annoying. It's a really big thing here for whatever reason. And, you know, I think what it is when something happens every year, you know, you watch it. So, because like where I'm from, we had like, you know, mariachi or whatever. Every year we have this stuff, this Mexican culture stuff. We have to go to it. So it's probably the same shit. Like, subscribe, and share.